All right, I almost forgot, you know. 2014 Chevy Cruze. I pulled a code yesterday. I totally spaced making the video. Where's my light? It had a intake runner valve sensor code, which is pretty common on these. The you can see, you see right there, the runner latch is broken. Just came off. So shitty thing about this is I got to take the intake off. It takes about 2 hours, but I should have started a video a little sooner, but we'll just run it down real quick for you. I just did the injectors. I got one more, but you gotta take. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Yep. Okay. So injector harness, and then I'll take the injectors out and I'll just move them out of the way, and then I'm gonna take the throttle body off, and then I unplug the sensor for the actual runner, and then there's a mount on the bottom, and then it's just going to be your intake bolts. I think there's 6 or 8. I've never done one of these, but you know, if you've done one intake, you pretty much have done them all. So take the purge off. I'm going to leave the fuel rail connected, that way I don't have to depressurize it. I'm just going to move it out of the way, and then I'll get you a shot when it comes off. I'm also doing an AC compressor on this. The compressor failed and the pressure switch shorted. So 2014 Cruze air intake manifold replacement because the runner controls busted. So we'll catch up here in just a little bit. Like I said, I got one more little vacuum hose to come off the intake, and then it's pretty much good to go. Like I said, I'll take the clips off the injectors, and then we'll just pull those right out, or I'll take the screws out and then just pull the fuel rail out. So all right, we'll catch back up here in a little bit. Holla, 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 holla. All right, we got this little junk out of here. It's actually kind of a little pain in the ass, but this is what I was talking about. So, you know, you can get this piece off of Amazon for like fucking 10 bucks, and then you just replace it. The actuator's probably just fucking fine, but the dealer wants to be cool guys and sell you the whole fucking assembly as an intake. So customer decided to do it. Just a quick look. I had to take the VVT solenoid out because it was right here on the corner. I don't think there's any information on this style that I had to do today. They usually have the older style that with the throttle on the other side, but back here you can see here's the little bracket right there. I just loosened it and swerved it out of the way. There's 2 clips that come off. That's the sensor plug for the actuator. There's also a ground strap on the fuel rail that is a part of the intake mounting bolt. It goes right here, so don't forget that. And then kind of a pain in the ass to pull it up and out, but I think it pays like 2.1 hours. It's been about 40 minutes, so a little tedious, but it can be done if you're not scared. You know the deal. But we'll holler at you when we get it all put together. I'm probably going to start working on the AC compressor and just get that thing going. So we'll holler. All right, switching back to the Cruze. I got the new intake. I just shoved it in there. Okay, I just took it and I fucking shoved it right the fuck back in there, and it went. So I just got to hook it back up. Looks pretty good. It came with the new tuner valve. Cool, it didn't break either, so that's good. But yeah, so I'll put and it also came with a new fuel rail and a new purge valve, which I wasn't expecting. So I got to take off the fuel. What I'll do is remove the VVT solenoid to wiggle this thing out. Like I said, there's not much information on this particular model, but on other models they show the throttle on the other side, or in the front, I'm sorry, so it makes it a little bit different. But yeah, not too bad. 2.1. We'll get another shot when it's all hooked back up and I have the codes cleared and we see how it responds. We did it! We did it! I always get happy, man, because this shit's like a big ass puzzle, and I'm doing a fucking clutch on a fucking Mini, so my brain is just, man, the elastic in my brain is just stretched. It's running pretty good. The AC's going nice and cold. I just need to take it for a test drive and then we'll call it good. This total ticket was 9.5 hours. I started at 7 a.m. It is now like 11:30 a.m. So, and in between all that, I was able to take out the subframe on the Mini. So just a lot of work bullshit today. But yeah, man, 2014 Chevy Cruze intake manifold got replaced because the runner linkage was broken. AC compressor. I didn't go through the AC compressor. Pretty self-explanatory. It wasn't working. Now it is. But with that, we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna finish up filming the Mini. Heyo.